Hi guys, today in this video we will tell you how to fill a check. So basically you can use the check for two purposes, either for cash withdrawal or for making any payments. So I will be using this check for demo. Basically there are 6 important things that needs to be kept in mind for writing a check. First important thing is the date, and the date should be in DDMMYY format. So like today is 23rd August 2017. So in DD we will write 23rd. Month is 8, so 08. And the year is 2017, so 2017. And the check is valid for 3 months only. So this check will be valid till 23rd November 2017. After that, this will be no longer valid. Fine. Now next part is the pay part. We'll come to column pay. Like you have to make a payment to Priya. So we'll write Priya here. Now what is wrong in this is that I have kept a space in between pay and Priya. This is a wrong thing. Anyone can insert like Kanu here and make any type of forgery, and this check can be used by Kanu Priya instead of Priya. So what you have to do is you always have to write the name just next to Priya without just next to pay without leaving any space. So we'll write Priya here. Just make sure there should not be any space between pay and Priya. Fine. Now next thing is we'll come here and we will use the column, the amount column. We'll write like you have to make a payment of 4,000, so we'll write 4,000 here. 4, then 000. Make sure you block the amount by putting this sign so nobody can misuse it. See, I have blocked the amount by using this sign so no one can misuse it. Like if I remove this sign, anyone can add a extra 0 here and do a forgery. Fine. So you have to put this sign to block the amount. Now we'll write the same amount in words here. So this is 4,000. We'll write 4,000 in words in rupee column. And again you have to start writing 4,000 without leaving any space. So 4,000, FOUR 4,000, THOUS 4,000 only. Make sure you also block this by putting a line here so nobody can misuse it. Fine. Now you have to make it account pay also. If you are making any payments, you have to make it account pay. You have to make 2 lines. You can make 2 lines here, you can make 2 lines here, or you can write account pay here. You have to mark it as account pay, so it will go into Priya's account only. Another thing you can do is you can cancel this bearer for more security. And the last thing is you have to put your signatures here. Fine. So this is the check you have to write if you are making any payments to some customer or some client or any of the parties. But if you want to use this check for yourself for cash withdrawal, then you don't have to write account pay. If you want to withdraw cash, you don't have to write account pay. You have to remove these 2 lines also. Okay, you can, I will just remove this Priya also. I'll show you what needs to be done. See, if you want to withdraw cash for yourself, for self use, and this is your check, your account, you have to write self here. Fine, that's it. And you have to put your signatures also at the back. Only this needs to be done, self and signatures at the back if you are using check for yourself, for cash. Another thing you have to keep in mind is that if you're sending your like servant for cash withdrawal, you are sending any bearer for cash withdrawal, what you can do is, for security purpose, just write his name here. Like you are sending your driver Ram for cash withdrawal, so what you will do is you will write Ram here, and just for more security purpose you can cut this bearer. What will happen is the teller at the cash counter will ask Ram to get his ID proof, because only Ram can withdraw this 4,000 rupees, nobody else can. Fine. So whenever you are sending any bearer or any servant, whatever, so what you have to do is you have to write his name here, and you have to cancel the bearer and ask him to carry his ID proof, so that there should not be any inconvenience. Fine. So this is the only thing that you have to keep in the mind for writing a check. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.